1999 Honda Prelude. I used to have a Misfire in this cylinder. So I changed my spark plugs. I changed spark plugs cable. I put the distributor cap and I put the inside rotor. Also, I changed the fuel filter. Was really hard to do. It's down there. And then I clean all the injectors and I do everything, you know, to try to fix this. Spend a lot of time and I was tired because never fits the issue. I tried to check all the wires and all the wires was fine. And the problem was really simple. And I tried to find this information in YouTube and never find it. So I hope this information will help a lot of people. Let me show you where was the problem. The problem was this. You can see there and read this information. Carbon build up was the problem. So this Honda Prelude, they don't have the system to clean it. So the only way you can clean the carbon is like that. You have to get a drill. You can see there. You have to buy the kit, and you have to order by eBay. And you can see the information right there. And then after you do that, is all this information. You can pull this information from the computer, I guess. And okay, let me show you where was the problem. The problem was down there. You see the little round 3 holes there, and then another one there, and another one there, another one down there on the fuel line. Okay, so you have to get the drill and a drill bit and drill the holes and clean it up real good. It's a carbon inside there, and the only way to do a really good job is to pull this part out, and this part, all the bottom part out, pull it out. Is the only way you can clean real good. And after we do that, we fix the issue after we spend a lot of time, a lot of labor work, a lot of money. So the computer told me the issue was here in one of these, and I find it wasn't this one. And the only way I can fix this problem, the misfire, was down there. It's a pain in the butt to do it, but it's the only way how I fix my misfire in my cylinder right there. So I hope this one can help you. And let me show you this one a little bit better. This is the way how you put the plugs, and this is to clean it up. I think you do that one first. Clean real good all the carbon. and then put the plugs. You can see, put the plugs, and then you can do this when you put your plugs, when you're ready to put your plugs there. So I hope this one can help you if you have a problem with your Misfire fire. So it's right there. Thank you for watching.